Have you heard the legend of the Kosrae sleeping lady? Macandawe has resided in the minds of Kosraeans as long as oral histories have been shared in Kosraean night stories. In the story of the whale and her daughter, Macandawe, legend has it that the whale came from the heaven and landed in the mountains of Tafayut. As the whale grew, it left Tafayut and resettled in the west in the area of Yelaud. While there, it lived mostly in the deep pools where it gave birth to a girl named Macandawe. One day, Macandawe was washing her hair with coconut oil, and in the water a streak of oil